In a significant boost to India's Make in India vision, Mahindra Aerostructures Private Limited has secured a prestigious contract from Airbus Helicopters to manufacture and assemble the main fuselage of the H-130 light single-engine helicopter. Deliveries of these assemblies will begin in March 2027 and will be sent to Airbus Helicopters facility in Europe, making this yet another proud moment for Indian manufacturing on the world stage. Our correspondent Tapas Bhattacharya spoke exclusively to Sunny Guglani, head of Airbus Helicopters, India and South Asia.
Joining me is Sunny Guglani, who is the head of Airbus Helicopter Division in India and South Asia. So, it's a huge opportunity for you guys to, get into a partnership with the Mahindra. The fuselage, manufacturing is a huge point, and for India to probably leapfrog into the elite group as well. Could you tell us exactly how this partnership is expected to benefit both Airbus as well as in the Make in India program?
It's a milestone partnership between Airbus and Mahindra Group to manufacture a major assembly for the H-130 helicopter of Airbus. Okay, so if you look at this diagram here, if you look at this picture here, Mahindra will manufacture and assemble this whole sub-assembly, this major assembly that goes into the making of the cabin of the H-130. This includes 1,000 sheet metal parts, 500 machined parts, and a number of sub-assemblies that have to come together with high engineering and high precision to form this entire major assembly. And Mahindra will be shipping these sub-assemblies to our facilities in Europe, where we will assemble them together with the rest of the equipment on the helicopter. And every H-130 helicopter from Airbus being sold anywhere in the world, not just in India, but anywhere globally, will have this major component assembly being manufactured and assembled by the Mahindra Group.
Airbus is a huge name, and coming here in India, setting its shop here, getting into partnership, is going to be, it's a momentous occasion for the civil aviation industry.
In 2019, just before COVID, our annual procurement volume from Indian suppliers was $500 million. And if you look at end of 2024, so in a very short span of time, we've almost tripled it, and we reached almost $1.4 billion of procurement, annual procurement buying from Indian companies in 2024.
After helicopters, we can have a large-scale manufacturing of the plane flight, civil aviation planes here also in India.
Already, both for our commercial aircraft portfolio and helicopters portfolio. Every Airbus commercial aircraft and every Airbus helicopter flying globally today has parts that are designed in India, made in India, and even maintained in India. So we're really proud of that.
So Airbus is going through its way of supporting India's Make in India program, and this is one classic example of that. With Campus and Saurabh, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for GD India from Delhi.
Under this agreement, Mahindra will produce the H-130's main fuselage assembly, which will then be shipped to Airbus Helicopters facilities in Europe. President of Aerospace and Defence, Vinod Sahai, said that industrialization will commence immediately, with the first cabin assembly scheduled for delivery by March 2027.
Actually, a very big step in the Indian supply chain for global aerospace industry. India procurement of all the OEMs of aerospace supply chain is increasing. As it would happen, we also started with small metallic components and machine parts. We are going into sub-assembly. This is the first big contract where the entire fuselage of the entire helicopter is what will be made in India for entire world. So ours will be the only facility for Airbus globally where we will be making this fuselage and will be supplying to their final assembly line in Europe. And from there, the helicopters will be rolled out to be supplied to Airbus customers across the world.